Reconstruction is the attempt to create a new economic, social, and political order in the United States after the Civil War. Let's go through that definition carefully. Why do we say it's an attempt? Well, because it failed to completely overturn the old ways, and because it failed to integrate the South fully into the rest of the nation. Why do we say create a new order? Because there was no order. Reconstruction took place in a time of total chaos. Why do we say this is a new order? Because we're not fundamentally talking about restoring the old order. We're talking about creating a new order. The new economic order, a new social order, and a new political order. And why do we say this is in the United States, not just in the South? Well, there are several reasons. While Reconstruction's headlines do seem to take place mostly in the South, this is a national process. And in the end, it's going to be the national government, the federal government, that determines how much progress will be made and what measures will be left undone. For most people living in the South, the most urgent work of Reconstruction was earning a living. As you've seen from the example of Jordan Anderson and his former master, this wasn't as simple a matter as it might appear. Rebuilding the South's economy in a way that would fit within the national economy would require rebuilding almost everything. It would require rebuilding the means of production, in this case land. It would require rebuilding the means of distribution, railroads, ports, roads. It would require rebuilding the means of communication, telegraph lines. Taken together, these systems make up the region's economic infrastructure, and they were in terrible condition. Let's start to explore this economic reconstruction process by taking a look at how one observer described his efforts to travel through the South a few months after the war ended. Click to the next screen to read Sidney Andrews' article entitled "Scenes in the Track of Sherman's Army."